So I went to, I must Google this next time, see the movie about it. Oh no, it was in my final year of school. Yeah, I remember because he tried to act funny with our senior class and we put him in his place. I'm maintaining two personal desktop computers, one laptop, one tablet, and three CPs to support. Very good. You're good in multitasking, so I guess it suits you very well. I can always remember when we used to be playing Scrabble, you would be multitasking and still scoring well. I know when I settle down to my own place, I will have a nice, I'll make a nice corner, my studio, like how you have. I'll make a studio and that will be permanent so I can spread out whatever I have. My iPad is not working, my other laptop is not working, so I don't know. Maybe when I go back home, I will get it seen to. Yeah, multitasking. You're very good at it. I'll have my home San Francisco. Oh, there was something else I wanted to Google. I forget. Now my studio is separated now from my room. Oh, really? Which part of your house have you set up your studio? Is it the other side of the bedroom, the extension that you had where that other student used to be living? I must. What's that? Thank God it's come back. It was reconnecting. Then it said try again. Let me switch on the fan. Oh my God. It's really warm. Whole day the fan was off. You know, whole day the fan was comfortable. This is bad, it's keeping on going off. Keeping on going off. Yeah, I know, it's keeping on going off, disconnecting. It's come back now. Let me know if it's okay now. Twice already it disconnected.